What must it be like to want affection and nurture and care and not be able to receive it because of fear? Fear of it having a sexual response, fear of it needing to go sexual. Like, they're so scared, but they long for nurture and care. And it reminds me a little bit of the people that they see people touching out there in the world in a nurturing and caring way, and they cannot receive touch either because their body just shuts down because of maybe some level of trauma. And so you see people yearning for that type of affection, and they don't give it to themselves. They can't do it. I got a message this morning that sounded like this, and my question was, what can I do to make you whole? Well, and it really isn't anything that I would actually do, but how do we put people's pieces back together again? How do we make it so that they can have that nurture and touch, that platonic way of being in the world, and be empowered in that type of experience, especially when they're afraid and they're hurt, and combining that with the loneliness we experience in the world and the shame. Oh my goodness, like all the shame around our sexuality and our bodies, and something is wrong. Like, if I have this thing that happens, something is wrong with me. That's what I'm dealing with, and it's hard to bring into the light, and I want us to. We need to. If we want our loved ones, our family, our children, all of us to be able to be liberated in all the ways, we need to make it so that they have access, all of us have access to nurture and care from infancy all the way up until we pass, right? Until the last day of our life. Feeling a little heavy this morning, or this afternoon, I guess, at this point. And these are my thoughts. Hope you can join me. Wow, you watched to the end. Yay! So I want you to know that if you want more of me, I do provide talking and coaching sessions. We can do it over the phone, so you don't have to live in San Antonio, Texas to meet me, as well as those of you who live in town. I'm around. But yeah, I'm here for you.